So, core principle number 2 is growth mindset. Growth mindset basically means we're always learning, always improving. We check our egos at the door, we come in, and we stay humble and coachable. It means we're always growing. We're always seeking to learn, to grow our skills, to improve our persons, our attitudes, our abilities. And it means, hey, we're sharing what we know. We want to make other people better. It's a part of impacting and improving the lives of people. And it's a really important part of who we are at Gallaher Fleet Solutions. It's about not accepting the status quo and saying, well, I'm good. I got it figured out. I don't need to learn anything new. No, it's always about challenging that comfortable status quo of comfort in our ways, right? We're always going to challenge our ways, think, is there any way that we can grow, any way that we can expand our abilities, our skill sets, first of all, to make our lives better, impact and improve the lives of people, to make our company better, to make our services better, to make our customer experience better, and then ultimately at the end of the day, so we can be more profitable and we can continue to grow and scale this so we can impact and improve the lives of more and more people along the road. Not only that, but it also means, hey, we're going to own our mistakes, right? We're all human. We all make mistakes. At the end of the day, perfection is not something that we're going to be able to achieve every single time. There will be bumps in the road. There will be bruises. There will be mistakes. There will be character defects that come into play. There will be histories and traumas and past wounds and all the different things that we bring together as humans, right? Especially when you put a bunch of people together trying to accomplish something, there's going to be egos and there's going to be personal agendas mixed in. A lot of growth mindset means, hey, we're going to put some of that stuff aside or all of that stuff aside, and we're going to learn with each other as we step through this path of life and grow and want to improve and be the best. And it's about being open to that, being coachable, having the ability to take positive feedback and look in the mirror and say, you know what, I was wrong in that situation. I apologize. I'm going to do better by doing X, Y, and Z. That was a growth moment for me. Thank you for highlighting that. It's about checking our egos, putting the mission first, putting the purpose first, putting the company first, putting the customer first, and then saying, where can I improve and how do I get there? And then putting in the work for it, right? It's not just a mindset where we think about it, it's putting in the work for it. Whether we're reading books at our huddles, we're doing personal growth stuff, right? Whether we're choosing positive energy, whether we have that moment of, hey, picking our friend up and saying, hey, you fell, but I'm going to help you get back up and you can do this, right? Having each other's support, holding each other accountable. Hey, we don't do that here. We're better than that. Let's not do that stuff. Let's not say those things. Let's treat people better than that. It's all about being mindful of who we are and knowing that we can improve and helping each other get there one day at a time.